Hello, Debra K here with Future Home Realty. Here's the front of the house, and then a little bit to the side, you got a little bit of a yard. Nice yard, it's on a corner lot. So come on in, gonna show you the home. So here we have the living room, and it's all open. It's just so nice. So it looks like you just have a lot of space. Here's the living room. And then you have the kitchen with like a open bar thing there where you have seats that you can sit. Then you have the laundry room right off of the kitchen here. You have plenty of space in the laundry room. And you have hookups for the washer and dryer. And then you have a nice space here to have a family dinner, nice little dining area, a lot of window space, perfect, just perfect. And then I'll just give you a picture of the whole view from the dining room area. It's all open, so you just have so much space. Then you have a little bit of a hall going down here, a little bit of a hallway. And then to the left, you have your bathroom. You have a nice sized bedroom. And then we have the other bedroom. And this bedroom's pretty big too. We're going to take you out on the back porch, which is off of the dining room. So we have a cute little patio here. Got some nice trees and bushes there, kind of nice. A little bit of a backyard.